You're such a busy man. You're running so many sort of businesses. But what brought you to a basketball event?
Well, basketball is my first love. I was a basketball player in school, and it's always been the sport that I've loved the most. And when I got to know about the UBA and that they were having the game over here, I just had to be here to show some support. So, having done something with kabaddi and football, I definitely want to do something in India with basketball. So, this is a fantastic foundation to build upon. So, I think the UBA is doing a great job.
So is there more to this appearance than just as a spectator? Are you actually looking to sort of promote a basketball league maybe? Is that something you're looking at actively? Or a team?
That's a distance away. The intention obviously would be eventually to really improve the situation and infrastructure for basketball in the country. Do I want to look into a league and all that? Nothing right now, because I think it's too early. But to go and get support for the sport is more important.
Did you expect such a crowd for a basketball event?
No, man. It's amazing.
Okay. And you've also mentioned in many interviews in the past that Indian sports movies we still need to learn the art of making good sports movies. So have any scripts sort of come across for a basketball movie? So Lara Datta, I think, is going to make one on the Chhattisgarh basketball team.
A school friend of mine, I've done 3 films with him, Rohan Sippy. We were both on the school basketball team together. We had worked on a basketball script about 11 years ago, but we never got it made. But I do hope that there are more sports films that come out, because I think they're very inspirational. The thing you have to remember about sports films is it's not necessarily about the sport. It's a human story within the sport. And you got to find that and then go from there.
So nothing specific?
No, nothing right now, no.
Okay, and since you have played yourself, you're a huge Lakers fan. I know that, and you have an excellent left-hand jump shot. We have seen that. So do you like the level of play here? Because I saw you enjoying some alley-oop plays and all that. So do you like the level of play? Are you pleasantly surprised by it?
I'm pleasantly surprised. And yeah, like being a Laker fan, to see Cedric Ceballos sitting there is great. I remember I got busted in school because I broke bounds to go see him win the slam dunk competition on television.
Okay.
So to have him here and have talent like that come to India and support the sport is brilliant. I had met Adam Silver, the commissioner of the NBA, a couple of months ago. And, I just said you need to get more of the NBA stars down here to keep that momentum going, the popularity going. And they have great plans for India, so that's wonderful. And I'm excited. They invited me to the All-Star weekend in February. I'm going to be going there and playing the celebrity game over there.
Okay, that's awesome. That's news.
It'll be fun.
Okay, and so your thoughts about, do you get to follow a lot of Indian basketball because India beat China last year?
Yes, I saw that game, but apart from that, no, I don't really get to see, because not much of it is properly packaged and televised. Yeah. And that's somewhere you hope to make a difference. I mean, to see this kind of game, it'll be brilliant to see on television. I'm glad it's been telecast live. And, that's how you're going to get onto the audiences and popularize the sport, by showing them the sport. Eklavya.com, India's first and only basketball website. All the best. Keep it real. Believe. And thank you for whatever you're doing for basketball, man.